Howdy, Wall Street Willie. What is coupon rate of a bond? A bond's coupon rate is the annual interest paid to the bondholder by the issuer, expressed as a percentage of the bond's face value. Face value, or par value, is the price at which the bond is issued and is also what the bond owner receives at maturity. Coupon rate is determined when the bond is first issued and usually remains constant throughout the life of the bond. It is paid semi-annually or annually. Are there different types of coupon rates? Yes, the most common is a fixed rate coupon that remains constant throughout the life of the bond. For example, if the face value of the bond is $1,000 and the coupon rate is 5%, the bondholder receives $50 each year until maturity. A floating coupon rate fluctuates based on a predetermined criteria and is generally tied to the prevailing interest rates. There are also zero coupon bonds that pay no interest but are offered at a deep discount to their face value. They are redeemed at face value at maturity, which results in a profit for investors. What factors affect the coupon rate? The coupon rate of a newly issued bond is tied to the prevailing market rates, but once the bond is issued and is trading in the secondary market, the coupon rate doesn't change. Even if the interest rates in the economy go up or down, it has no effect on the coupon rate or the coupon payments of existing bonds. What will change, according to the prevailing interest rates, is the coupon rate of new bonds that are issued. Can you give me an example? Let's say you own a bond with a face value of $1,000 and a coupon rate of 5%. This gives you $50 every year until maturity, no matter what price the bond trades for. Even if you bought the bond in the secondary market, you will still get the same $50 coupon per year. Whether your purchase price was $900 or $1,200, the coupon is always paid on face value, which remains constant throughout the life of the bond. How is coupon rate different from yield? That's a great question, Super Cooper. Watch the video on your screen to find out. Thank you very much, Wall Street Willie. You're welcome, Super Cooper. Remember, finance is your friend.